This is how to increase your video quality. So what you have to do first is to go to bring your adjustment layer. Once you bring your adjustment layer, you insert it above your clip. Then make sure you stretch it till it covers the whole clip. Then what you have to do next is to come to effect here and search for Sharpen. So you drag both Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. Drag both of them and drop it in that your adjustment layer you've created. So as you can still see, what you have to do next is to come to your Sharpen. You increase your Sharpen amount to 20. Then you can increase this your Unsharp amount to 100. The radius you can make it 3. So you can see, let's play back, then you can see there's a difference. If you can't see the difference, you can pause it and okay, let's turn off this Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. You can see the difference. Then we'll put it on back again. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. So you can also play with these values. Yeah, you can play with them. If you found out your own is some kind of way you don't like, yeah, you can play with them. You can tweak them. You can tweak with the values, then get what you want. Yes. So see you in the next